To make yourself a tracing paper, you're going to need any cooking oil, tissue paper, cartridge paper that you can get from your drawing book, and a smooth surface or otherwise a magazine. So you'll begin by laying out the tissue paper across your smooth surface to absorb any oil that will pass through your cartridge paper. And then once your cartridge paper is laid out on your surface, you're going to pour some cooking oil on the paper, and then now we are going to work it around the paper with more tissue, ensuring that you spread it out evenly, and you'll see it turning your cartridge paper into a tracing paper. Well, once that is done, then now the final stage is to completely wipe out our oil from the paper so that when you begin to work, it will not transfer the oil onto your working surface. So you're going to cut out more tissue, wipe the top, wipe your surface, and wipe the back side of the tracing paper. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope that you learned something new today about making yourself a tracing paper, and I hope you can save some cost when you're considering buying some and make it yourself. And I hope this will be beneficial in your line of work. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.